Right. So some of you have done your ohms. When we do the ohms, if you feel a vibration start, that means something is kriyas. Cleansing your nadis, when the vibrations start, that means something is being in many ways I feel
राजेश जी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
only once the
हाँ
sushumna opens.
हाँ अब ठीक थोड़ी बहुत कम आ रही थी वॉल्यूम।
You can't hear me?
हाँ अभी ठीक।
बहुत कम। अच्छा, wait, let me see. I guess sometimes it's probably a problem with the. Okay, the microphone says. Is that better now? Any improvement? Well,
अभी
can
अच्छी
you
आ
hear
रही
me?
है। यस थैंक यू।
अभी अच्छी आ रही है?
हाँ बिल्कुल अच्छी आ रही है।
ठीक है, thank you. Yeah. So let's start. I was saying earlier, Sushumna, opening the Sushumna. When the Sushumna begins to open, when you do your Omkar, for example, or when you do your mantra jap, you'll feel the vibrations inside. Most of our breathing practices, most of our pranayams are aimed at cleansing the nadis, of course, and opening the Sushumna. So let's start with the first huffing technique. Slow, deep breath in, open your mouth wide and huff. You can use a little more pressure than you've used earlier because you've now been doing it for 3-4 days. So it should be okay if you're any pressure. So try the first strong like yeah, I'm sorry, something happened. My screen kind of hear me? Can you hear me? Can you see me?
Yes, we see you, we hear you. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you. Yeah, because my screen blacked out, so I wondered what happened. Okay, right. So, like I said, let's do that huff first. Remember the first simple huff? You take a full breath in and then you huff. Start the huffing, start the expulsion of air as low as possible. Let it stop again. Stop. Repeat. Stop. Repeat. So pay attention to the different sounds that your body might make or your lungs might make. They give you an indication of something somewhere, something stuck somewhere. Now, if you do it for a while, you'll even begin to understand that the sound is coming from the lower right part of my lung or upper left part of my lung, and so on. You'll get a sense. So when you get this sense, you can actually target your squeezes in that area, in those areas a little more. So once again, please do it. Full breath in, Stop. Repeat. Stop. Repeat. Stop. Repeat. Stop. Repeat. And then a full breath in. And after your full breath in, if you feel a little out of breath, you can relax one round and then start again. So one round means one full breath, relax a little, and then continue. As you go to the second, third, fourth cycle, squeeze different parts of your lungs. Okay? So do this about 5 times, and then I'll show you one more thing as far as this technique is concerned. I call it Krishna's flute. So please do this now. Yeah. 5 times. If you feel anything, you can always clear it into the container. And naturally, the more you are able to throw out, the better will be your experience of the breath. So please do it again, another 4 times. Let's go on, everyone.
Namaste, sir. Good morning.
Namaste, Neelamji. Yes, Neelamji, you wish to say something?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So please continue. Take your full breath. So remember, a tennis court, it's not easy cleaning a tennis court. It takes time, it takes effort. And as your tennis court inside becomes clearer, cleaner, everything will change. Your breath will improve so much. Your energy will change. Even your emotions will change. If you know how to handle your energy, you'll be able to handle your emotions as well. And then the mind. Once you begin to control your mind, once you begin to understand how to channel your mind, you become the master of your destiny. You are no more destiny's child. You are then the master of your destiny. So the process starts with a very simple thing. Start cleansing your nadis. Start opening your sushumna, which is what we are doing here. Simple thing, basic thing. When we do this, if you have learned how to belly breathe, it becomes easier, because keeping the belly relaxed is very important. Every time you do the huff, you need the leverage that you get with your belly muscle and the diaphragm. You push that. That is how you work on the lungs. So keeping your belly very relaxed is very important. So please do that. Keep doing this. After you've done 5 times, we will do one more thing, what I call the Krishna's flute. So far you have learned different squeezes squeezing in different parts of your lungs and so on. So you use your rib cage and other muscle groups. You use your rib cage and other muscle groups to squeeze. So squeeze in the lower part, middle part, upper part, everywhere. Now, if you've done the 5 rounds, I invite you to do the same thing again, but this time your focus is going to be a little different. If you know, there are 7 major chakras in the body: Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi, and then Agya, Sahasrara. So Sahasrara, Agya, squeezing may be difficult for most. we will not go there just now. For now, focus on squeezing at the Muladhara, and then Swadhisthana, and then Manipura. So when you do the squeeze, it might be for the present easier to squeeze back and front. But if you can do a complete squeeze, that is also okay. So take a full breath in and huff. So you will do the squeeze after 2 huffs or 3 huffs. So did you get it? Were you able to do it? Squeeze Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddhi. And first time, just do it the way you want, and then I'll explain how to do it a little better than what you may have done so far. So please do it and share your experience so far. Try it once or twice and then share.
Good morning, sir. Can you repeat again?
Haji?
Yeah, repeat again, I said.
Yes. So when you do the half, let the first half go.
Okay.
In the second or third half, start squeezing at the Muladhara, then the Swadhisthana area. So you know basically where those areas are. General, you don't have to get to the chakra exactly, because in any case, it's not a physical thing. So squeeze in these areas: Manipura, Anahata, and then Vishuddhi. Gentle squeeze. Don't do too much.
Okay.
And see what happens. You'll probably feel that you are expelling a little more phlegm, maybe.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Please try, everyone. See what Krishna's flute is doing to you. Observe. When you squeeze, you are pushing up all the phlegm or whatever is there inside to come up along the nadis, along the sushumna actually. That's where everything comes out, through the sushumna. Yeah, go on. Please go on. Please go on. Don't stop. Full breath in.
Rajesh ji, one question.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
I am Deepak.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
हमें सुषुम्ना वाला नहीं समझ में आया. I couldn't understand this. I am not read this actually.
Okay. So according to yogic understanding of the system, of the prana system in particular, there are three major nadis. Ida is the left, Pingala is the right, nostril, and the Sushumna is the subtle third channel. It's subtle. It's not like the Ida and the Pingala. It's called the Sushumna. In many ways, for spiritual practitioners, Sushumna is the most important nadi. Yogis actually spend years trying to keep their nadis, keep their Sushumna open and working at its full potential. The Sushumna itself is very, though it's a very subtle nadi, there are three nadis within the Sushumna. So Sushumna, Brahmini, Chitrini, and so on. So practitioners of yoga, people who go deep into yoga, they understand this. We don't have to go there. We just need to understand that we need to open our Sushumna and keep it open as much as possible. The longer we are able to keep our Sushumna open, the better will be our experience as far as our health is concerned, and also as far as our spiritual growth is concerned. Now, very often people are not clear about what spirituality is. I'll give you a very simple understanding of spirituality. Spirituality is basically about your energy system, how you work your energy system and your mind. If you are able to use your energy system and mind to work in a way, align it in a way that you start getting clarity in your life, you start working towards your higher goals, you are on the path of spirituality. That's all there is to it. It's not some mumbo jumbo or something like that. It's very simple. You do things for your higher self. In my understanding, the higher self is just along your spine. The higher self does not have to be outside. It can be outside, but there is also a higher self right inside you, and it's along the spine. So the lower self is stuck at the lower levels, where you are, worried about your survival and pleasure and things like that. And your higher self is up there at the Sahasrara, at the Agya, where you have access to knowledge, where you have understanding of oneness, that you are really no different from the rest of the universe. You are part of it. It's part of you. So that is the higher self and the lower self. It's very simple, really. And it's all up along the spine. To be able to access this, you have to go through the Sushumna. If your Sushumna is blocked, if your Sushumna is not working properly, this experience becomes limited. One may be stuck at a certain consciousness level and then stay there for one lifetime, two lifetimes, maybe many, many lifetimes. A spiritual practitioner uses whatever resources are there to use his energy and his consciousness to rise higher, 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 higher. That's all there is to it. It's very, very simple. No, no tall ideas. The problem is our mind. Mind is always in our way. Our mind usually becomes our biggest enemy for everybody. So learning to channel the energy of the mind, keep it a little more focused. Don't let it fritter itself away in all kinds of things. That is the goal. Yes, please continue.
Okay.
Yeah. So how is the Krishna's flute working for you? Please share. Anybody? Have you understood the concept of Krishna's flute? You squeeze at the different chakras. Why do I call it the flute? Because like in a flute, there are 7 holes, 7 chakras. When your 7 chakras are open and flowing, you can make music. So then Krishna can blow into you and you become a harmonious, as an instrument of harmony. So Krishna's flute. Yes, please. Anybody who's done it, and your feedback, your experience. Come on, come on, come on. Does nobody wish to share anything?
नहीं, हमको अभी I don't find any difference जो कल और उसमें क्या ये नई चीज नहीं, I'm not very clear about it. ये जो
किस
कल
चीज में?
2-3 दिन से कर
वही
रहे
है,
थे
अभी कुछ
वही
नहीं
कर-
नया कर रहे हैं। अभी
अच्छा
खाली
जी।
कृष्णा's फ्लूट ऐड किए हैं। जो आप स्क्वीजिंग कर रहे थे पहले,
हाँ,
जो आप पहले स्क्वीजिंग कर रहे थे, उसमें खाली इतना ही रिफाइनमेंट है, that we are now doing it chakra wise. That is the only refinement now.
नहीं फिजिकली
So there is no
थोड़ा
difference.
फिजिकली चक्रा कहाँ हम माइंड को फोकस करें चक्रा में?
So the Muladhar is at the base, which is near the genitals, between the anal opening and the genitals. There's a very small spot over there. That is the Muladhar.
मूलाधार,
The
okay.
Swadhisthana is a few inches above that. The
Okay.
Swadhisthana is a few inches above that. The
Okay.
Manipura is around the navel. Just something, some say it's a little below the navel, some a little higher, but whatever it is, that's in the navel area. I like to think of it as the navel. Anahata is near the chest, where the rib cage, the rib cage is this part of the rib cage, this part, around that. That's
अच्छा,
soft, the softer part. So that's the
Okay.
Anahata, general area. And the Vishuddhi is near the throat.
throat, अच्छा.
That's the basic thing. Yeah.
Thank you.
So
हाँ,
focus
ये
on
हमें
these.
पता नहीं था.
If you want, acha.
नहीं हमने
अच्छा,
अभी
कोई बात नहीं.
नहीं समझ गए. Yes.
And the Agya is in the third eye,
Mind.
in the forehead.
Acha.
Actually, it's not in the front, it's inside, it's above the eyes, but for practical purposes, we think of it as at the forehead. So just do this, focus on the squeezing and share your experience. I need your experience to understand what is happening. Come on, anybody? Yes, anybody, anything? Okay. So those who are new, those who are maybe who had trouble signing in yesterday and earlier, there is a Google form in the chat window. You can click it, and if you wish to join our groups and know what is happening and get the belly breathing video and so on, if you fill that up, I'll add you to the group. Right. So please continue. Does anybody have anything to say about your Krishna's flute experience? Cough, sound high or low? Vinu Kumarji, it depends on an individual. There is no fixed thing. Everyone's everyone's experience of sound will be different because it depends on where the air is passing, what phlegm or what toxins it's kind of trying to throw out. So कोई तो शेयर करे ना मुझे कृष्णा's flute के बारे में.
Yeah, Rajesh, I can.
हाँ जी, thank you.
Yeah, so I was trying everything, but the throat chakra, I am able to, like, I don't know, I feel the squeeze here much more, and it's lasting longer, and I think this area is vibrating.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
If you
only
get in the
it happened. I've done it only twice, but both times it's
You
only
felt a
this.
vibration.
It's maximum here. I'm not able to.
Mm.
I really don't know if it's any
Okay.
feedback at all.
Yeah. So as long as there is no discomfort, it's okay. Any kind of vibration that you feel in different chakra area is the sign that there is some activity happening there. As long as there is no discomfort, pain, etc., I'm happy with it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yatish ji, squeezing means continuous exhale 2 or 3 times. Yatish ji, yes. Squeezing means you squeeze, relax, squeeze, relax, so on. So you can do it 2-3 times or more. Yes.
Rajesh, hi.
Haji.
Is it like continuously you have to consciously you have to think like, okay, you are exhaling from this particular area? Is it like that? Or it is a normal effort?
Yeah. So your exhale can be from any area, doesn't matter. You have to push out air from all over the whole system. But you are just doing a little extra squeeze in these areas. When you do the squeeze in these areas, you get many advantages. Let me just tell you for now, if you are throwing out phlegm, it's a good sign. When you do the squeeze at the different areas, so let's say you first do the Muladhara, then you do the Swadhisthana, then you do the Manipura, then you do the Anahata, and then the Vishuddhi. Initially, you do just this much. Second time when you do it, do the Muladhara and then the Swadhisthana together. Then the Muladhara, Swadhisthana, and the Manipura, 3 together. So you build it up like this. So initially it's like 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? And then it becomes 1 with 2, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this way.
Okay, but by default, it is like you're exhaling from the down towards up, right? By default,
Yes,
this is
yes.
what it is.
Yes, all the exhale is from the lowest portion upwards, because the expulsion happens only through the mouth, the phlegm, etc. It's only coming out through the mouth.
Yeah. Today I'm able to do a bit better. The half is better. I'm able to spell a little bit better than the
and
last.
your breathing
days.
is better. Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah.
But what about your breathing experience? Is that better? Is that easier, smoother?
No, the nasal congestion is not that great. I had to take medicines just because so that I can do the exercise. If I don't take that, then the nasal passage is blocked. Then I cannot do any of the exercise. So that is the thing. But that is one way. Like most of the time, the mucus is through the nose and not through the mouth. So I have to make an effort to do it through the mouth so that the nasal passage is better. Like that way.
Yeah. So the more you do these practices, and for example, Anulom, Vilom, etc., the more you will be able to cleanse and clear the system. You'll be good. Don't worry.
Yes.
You'll be good. But just continue with the practices. Persist with them.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Right.
Rajesh, I am Jayanti here. After doing this, I get burping.
Okay. Yeah, you said it. You said it the last few days also. Yes.
Yeah. Is that all right? Now also I got the burping.
Yeah, sure. It's okay. As long as you don't feel any discomfort, it's perfectly all right.
Okay. I get lot
So
of phlegm.
You are throwing out phlegm, and you are also expelling some air, burps, etc. So that's okay. No problem.
Okay.
It's a sign that you are. It's a sign that you are cleansing. See, if there is gas inside, obviously it's not good for you. If that gas comes out, it's a good thing, right? Just as if the phlegm comes out, it's a good thing.
After doing this exercise, I feel up to 11:30, 12 o'clock, I am very fresh, like I can do many things. I'm so energetic. I am very energetic.
Yes.
First half of the day, very energetic. Don't feel getting tired at all. So I feel good about it. Thank you.
That's wonderful. Are you in the group? Are you in the group already?
Yeah. I am in the group. Yes.
Okay. Great. So, you should write about these experiences so that others can learn from you.
Yes.
You can inspire others, and also make a video if you can. Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that.
Thank you. Thank
Today
you
I
so
will
much.
write. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Great. So kind of you.
Thank you.
So kind of you, Jayanti ji. Yes. Right. So continue. You now do another 5 rounds of this with the Krishna's flute, the squeeze with the Krishna's flute. Just do that again. Repeat 5 times. Even if I'm not talking, or even if I'm talking, you focus on your breath work. Please do this. You may do as your body guides you. So don't overdo it initially. Slowly over time. Right. Please continue, everyone. Some people that I can see on video, I see that they have stopped. No, please continue. Use your time. As you continue doing all these exercises and practices, and you start cleansing your nadis and your sushumna, you'll start noticing many subtle changes about you, about your being. The quality of your voice will change. For example, it will become richer. The sound will become, you might, some of you, if you like singing, you might even find that you are able to sing better. So a lot of subtle changes like this will happen. So think of the sushumna as the main power system in the body, or the power mains, the main power line in the body. That's your sushumna. That is the part of your nervous system. Sushumna is the central portion of that, the main line carrying electrical power, etc., to all parts of the body. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to tell you earlier, I can tell you now. When you are doing the squeeze, you can bring a sound. Try to get this sound, not always, sometimes at least. Try to get the sound. It'll create a certain friction in your lungs, and it will help you throw out a little more phlegm. So try with the sound. See, little more flame comes out. Tennis court. It's a tennis court out there. You got to clear as much as you can, sweep as much as you can. Deepak ji, please don't stop. Please continue. And now, after your 4-5 rounds of this, we can move to the complete yogic breath and do the same thing. You take a full breath in, exhale, stop, exhale, stop, exhale, relax, stop, exhale, stop, relax, squeeze. Same thing as in the huffing. Do this and then employ the Krishna's flute as well with the complete yogic breath. You remember the complete yogic breath? Sit comfortably. You can sit in Padmasana, Vajrasan, Siddhasan, whichever asana you like. I prefer to sit in Vajrasan normally. I'm not sitting in Vajrasan now though. Let me sit. So I sit in Vajrasan and take a full breath in and exhale slowly up the spine. Wow. Try it. It'll work beautifully. So you exhale once. After that, squeeze in the Muladhara. Next squeeze, Muladhara, Swadhisthana. And then Muladhara, Swadhisthana, and Manipura. Just keep doing that. And feel, and you'll see the difference. Immediately your breath will feel different. Please try. Do it a few times, and then if you like, please share. See, remember, the complete yogic breath on its own is very good for colds, etc. So now you are doing that complete yogic breath and you are squeezing at the different areas, the chakras. So you are cleansing the system beautifully. You will immediately feel a difference in the quality of your breath, immediate difference. I think Snehaji will be a good person to share whether her nasal breathing is easier or not. Ah,
Yeah.
Nandita Samji, clarity in voice and nose got cleaned. That's right. Yes, sorry,
Yeah,
Snehaji.
it is getting better. But it's
You are
just like,
breathing better.
just to clarify, it's like the same way we did the half, it is the same way,
Same thing.
same thing to do, right? It's
Same
just like
thing.
through the nose and not opening the mouth at all.
That, yes, that's right. And the only difference here is that you are not using your mouth to huff out from the lungs so much, but now in this, the focus becomes a little more on the nadis. In the huff, the focus is more on the lungs directly. In the complete yogic breath, the focus shifts internally. It's not that you're using your mind, but as if the system is working on your nadis more directly rather than on the lungs so much.
Okay, got it.
And as you do the squeeze, as you continue squeezing from the Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, and then you squeeze in the chest area with the Anahata and the Vishuddhi, you'll find an amazing difference in the quality of your breath immediately after that. So do two, three rounds, 5 rounds, and feel the difference. Come on, do it, please. Everyone, do it. Come on, let's get going. You know what, Namaste, sir. Tell this second technique again. Okay. So those who have understood, please continue doing. I'll explain to those who may have a question. So in the complete yogic breath, we have explained that earlier. You take a full breath in, you fill up the breath in the pelvic area, lower abdomen, upper abdomen, chest, shoulder. You know, you remember? Like in a ghada, you fill up slowly all the way up. That is what you do as far as the in-breath is concerned. Some of you who know how to channel part of the in-breath up along the spine can do that as well. Others, let the breath fill up. And when you start exhaling from the base of your spine, from the lowest portion, exhale as much as you can. In the second exhale, when you stop and exhale again, then squeeze first at the Muladhara, then at the Swadhisthana, then at the Manipura, then at the Anahata, and then the Vishuddhi. If you can take it higher, fine. I'm okay with that. But do these at least. Do this the first time. Once you've got it, second try, third try, what you can do is you squeeze first at the Muladhara, then the second squeeze will be Muladhara, Swadhisthana together. Third squeeze will be Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura together. Fourth, including Anahata. Fifth, including Vishuddhi. So 5 squeezes.
Rajesh ji, on.
Ji.
If you demonstrate just once, at least the we'll be able to see how you are exhaling. You know, I mean, the question that Neha asked about mouth being closed, but you know, the expulsion per se, we'll have an idea. Just can you demonstrate just once for, I think.
But you won't be able to see because it's an internal thing.
I know. So I get the point, the internal thing, but externally, what you have
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
just to
Okay,
have
I'll
an
show you.
idea. Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm taking a full breath in, filling up from the lowest all the way up. Okay. That's the in-breath. Part of the in-breath is also moving up, in my case, also moving up along the spine.
Right.
Okay. That is the in-breath. Then I might stop for a moment and then the exhale starts. Full exhale, stop.
Okay.
Again exhale. Now I'm squeezing at the Muladhara. Gentle squeeze. Now Muladhara and Swadhisthana. Now Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura. Now I've squeezed very hard. You don't have to do it.
Yeah.
You can go a little lighter because I have been doing this for a long time. My body is able to take all that pressure with ease.
So
You
when you
build up
so the first round, you were exhaling with the breath coming out along the spine. The first time you did.
Yes.
Then-
Every time. Every single time.
Everything. And
Every single time.
yeah, your exhalation is not forceful and it's not forceful, right?
No.
Thank you.
Okay.
So that exhalation.
Great. Yeah, so please do it about 5 times and then share your experience. Deepak ji, are you able to do it?
Honest with you, मतलब it's all in the mind. I think कि जो मूलाधार और ये you have to think कि
To
कहाँ
be-
पर है ये.
No, to be
Physically,
honest
I'm
with you,
trying. Yeah, it's difficult.
Deepak
Because
ji, to be
कभी
honest
I've
with
never
you, it's
हाँ,
there.
yeah,
It's there.
तो वो थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा कहाँ से निकल रही है हवा.
इतना मत सोचिए. Just a general idea is okay.
अच्छा.
Just a very general idea.
Okay.
Meenu ji is asking, Namaste sir, please tell the second technique. Okay, I have shared this. Meenu ji, is that clear? The second technique?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Now it's clear when you do practically.
Please do it. Now, please do this at least 5 times. And even if I'm saying something, you focus on your breath work. Please, that's important. Those who have understood whatever has been explained thus far, continue focusing on your breath work. Even if I say something, even if I give some clarification, you focus on your breath work.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes.
Sir, जब भी हम exhale करेंगे,
Hmm.
then we squeeze our chakras.
Hmm.
Okay. Then जब squeeze करने के बाद हमें वापस से उसे loose छोड़ के then again squeeze, then loose, then again squeeze like this.
G. Like if you remember from the very first day, I've been saying after every squeeze, you relax your belly.
But I think in second technique, this matlab same.
Yeah, same thing.
Squeeze and
The
release, squeeze
basics are
and
the
release.
same in both.
Okay. Only to
Basics
concentrate
are the
our
same in
chakras.
both. Yeah. In this, what in the Krishna's flute part of the
Yes.
program, you work on the chakras.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
usually chakras are the areas where there are blockages. Chakras are like intersections, junctions. A lot of traffic coming from different parts, so they tend to collect certain amount of traffic, which is your blockage. We need to cleanse that.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please continue. दीपक जी, you are not doing anything. ऐसे बैठने से कैसे होगा दीपक जी? करिए मेहनत करिए थोड़ा. Yes, Nandita Sayam ji, you said clarity in voice and nose got cleaned. थोड़ा और डिटेल में बोलना चाहेंगे आप? नंदिता जी, थोड़ा और डिटेल में बताना चाहेंगे अबाउट क्लैरिटी इन वॉइस and nose got cleaned, the statement that you, the comment that you left just now? So, as you're doing the Krishna's flute, squeezing in the different chakras, 2-4 बार अपने एक एक चक्रा, फिर 1 2 3 4 5 इस तरह से करके किया. कभी कभी पूरे 7 चक्रा एक साथ में स्क्वीज करिए. See that, see, try different things. तभी आपको मालूम पड़ेगा what is working good for you in a certain situation at a certain time, what is working better at other times. Get that experience. ये आपको इंटरनल खुद के एक्सपीरियंस से जो समझ में आएगी चीज, वो दूसरों के बोलने से नहीं आएगी समझ में. Watch your experience, watch your breath. Okay. करुणा जी करते जाइए. Do that squeeze, Krishna's flute. बजाइए, म्यूजिक बजाइए अंदर का, क्लीन करिए, फिर म्यूजिक कितना सुंदर बजेगा. स्नेहा जी तो मेडिटेटिव हो गई है. हाँ स्नेहा जी, अनम्यूट होइए.
I'm feeling better doing that. But it's just that I'm thinking like how to do it from the throat as well. I can take only up to the lung level, not above that.
Don't force it, धीरे धीरे होएगा.
Okay.
As you're doing the squeeze, जैसे आपका अनहार्ट में squeeze हो रहा है, start with a gentle squeeze in the throat. Don't overdo it. आराम से करिए. Let it build up slowly over time. We have enough time, है ना?
But today I'm not feeling like congested. Body is
You
at
are not
ease.
feeling so congested.
Yeah, like
It's
I was
feeling-
doing from past 2 days. Today the body is at ease. Like okay, it's able to take the pressure. Yeah,
Okay,
that is
wonderful. हाँ,
Yeah.
तो इसको बिल्ड करिए और थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस और करिए. जैसे जैसे आप करोगे प्रैक्टिस, आप जो कर रहे हो उसमें भी रिफाइनमेंट आएगी. See, आप करते करते आपको समझ में आएगा ऐसे करने से ठीक हो रहा है, इसको इतना करिए, प्रेशर इतना जेंटल करिए या इतना जोर दीजिए. You have to strike that balance. Everyone has a unique balance of their own. So try करते रहिए.
Yeah, thank you.
And when you breathe better, everything about your life will, एक जैसे फ्लावर होने लग जाएगा. आपका joy, sense of joy आएगा, आप में एनर्जी अलग तरह की होएगी,
For me,
enthusiasm
it is very
होएगा.
crucial actually because I haven't
हाँ
seen
जी?
the difference. For me, it is very crucial because I haven't seen this type of breathing since 4-5 years. So I'm waiting for that.
wow. Oh, you feeling what? 4-5 years के जैसा अभी
Yeah,
हो रहा है
yeah,
breathing.
yeah.
Wow.
No, because I'm not able to breathe that great since 4-5 years. So
My-
I know the
my
difference. If it
God.
feels little bit better, I feel like okay, everything is perfect.
Yes, जी हाँ, आपको एकदम परफेक्ट करेंगे स्नेहा जी, ऐसे नहीं छोड़ेंगे आपको, पूरा ठीक करेंगे.
Thank you, thank you.
बहुत अच्छा ब्रीदिंग कराएंगे. breath is my field of interest, my area of interest. And if the little that life has shown me can help others improve their breath, the quality, their experience of the breath, कितनी बड़ी blessing है मेरे लिए, है ना? करिए करते जाइए, स्क्वीज करिए. एंड आपको रिपोर्ट देनी है मेरे को, स्नेहा जी, लिख के डिटेल में लिखिए, अपना टेस्टिमोनियल दीजिए, एक वीडियो बना के दीजिए. इंस्पायर अदर्स, बिकम एन एजेंट ऑफ चेंज. लोगों में उत्साह डालिए,
Sure.
है ना? हाँ, जब आपका एक्सपीरियंस होता, झूठ मत बोलिए. एक आउंस, एक पैसा, एक स्टेटमेंट भी झूठ का नहीं चाहिए, खाली सच का. शेयर करिए. चलिए, प्लीज कंटिन्यू एवरीवन. Add the Krishna's flute to your technique, huffing and complete yogic breath both. मंजुनाथ जी, आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो?
कंटिन्यूअसली
प्रैक्टिसिंग, ठीक है. ये कर रहे हैं. कृष्णा फ्लूट हो रहा है आपका?
हो रहा है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ माय शोल्डर ब्लेड स्टिफनेस आई एम नॉट एबल टू फील दैट सटल थिंग्स.
होगा, सब होगा, एकदम चिंता नहीं करिए, करते जाइए.
I am not able to come out of this stiffness of the shoulder blade here and other things because the mouth is opened and the throat here is operated.
No, I can see there is some swelling in that area. Kya?
Here it is operated.
No.
It is always irritating.
Okay.
In this one and the whole shoulder blade up to here by just this way.
Maybe there is some congestion over there. आप gargle करते हो?
नहीं gargle.
Do you gargle with hot water?
हाँ.
Gargle करिए, थोड़ा gargle से भी फर्क पड़ता है.
वो भी करके देखा, इतना डिफरेंस नहीं आया.
नहीं तो एक दिन में नहीं आएगा डिफरेंस, करते जाइए थोड़े दिन तक.
अच्छा. मेन हिंड्रेंस मेरे लिए यही प्रॉब्लम है.
नहीं, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, करते जाइए. खाली सिर्फ
योगा फॉर द पास्ट 19 years I am not able to overcome this one.
कोई बात नहीं, धीरे धीरे सब हो जाएगा. हाँ, अभी प्रैक्टिस करिए breath. Now I think it's almost 7, so we'll do our 3 ohms and we can sign out for today. Take a slow deep breath in. Shall we sign out for today? यदि किसी को फॉर्म भरना हो तो भर लीजिए. Okay, Nandita ji is saying now running nose got cleaned easily and voice sounds better to me. And singing is good now. अरे वाह, आप गाना भी गा रही हो नंदिता जी, वाह क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Yeah. Please share it in the group. Share all this in the group. Thank you all. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Continue.
Thank you,
This
Jay.
Krishna.
Thank you. Thank you and namaste.
It'll add a lot.
Thank you.
It'll add a lot to your practice. Namaste.
Okay. Namaste.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Thank you, sir.
Haji?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.